Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, formula number 23. We are happy to say that we are nearing our target of 25 days formula challenge. So we have posted 22 different formulas. I have given the link in description. If you have not watched, please do watch the playlist and get your desired formula well known and practice. So today we are going to see an interesting formula which is SUMIF. Before jumping into video, so this will be the bi-weekly seminar will be on this weekend. The time and the topic will be announced later. Stay tuned with our channel and the blog post. Let's jump into the video. So previously you can see we have already discussed about COUNTIF formula. So this COUNTIF formula will help you to understand count the if, which is count and if formula. So the same way we are going to discuss about SUMIF, which is combination of sum and if condition, similar like COUNTIF. So how this is different? Suppose we are getting a task of sum the value of the price or something of the particular product. How we are done with the count if we are going to do the same for the sum as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'll start with the sum if formula. Sum if it says add the cell specified by the given condition or criteria. This will be the syntax for the sum if formula selected and range criteria and sum range it's asking. So for me the range is this product, I mean this range, and my criteria will be this one and sum range. So if you see in COUNTIF formula we don't have a sum range or count range, we had only range and criteria, but here we need to give the sum range. Sum range is nothing but which value we need to sum. So my sum range is the total price. Just close the bracket, enter, you get the value of total carat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just filling complete rows whichever we are going to get for the total number of products which you have. Now let's validate it one by one. So let's filter banana again because this is having the less number of value, which is quantity is 3. 179.33. If you check the value, it is matching. And now we can check for the arrow root. Filter the arrow root and check the total price we got is 5330.1. So it's matching over here. So this is how we can use the SUMIF formula. Hope you have understood the video clearly. If you have any doubt, please post your comments in the comment box or else reach out to us through the channels via Instagram or else through email as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Jai Hind.